If you have a small kitchen that always feels cramped or hard to organize, here are 20 interior design hacks to help you maximize space and make it look bigger, brighter, and more functional. Watch until the end because we'll show you 3 stunning before and after transformations of small kitchen using these exact hacks. Number 1. Choose a galley or L shape for maximum efficiency. If your kitchen is small, layout is everything. A galley or L-shaped design keeps things tight and functional with minimal walking and maximum counter use. Even in a space as narrow as 1.8 meters or 6 feet, this layout works wonders. It's not just about looks, it's about flow. Number 2, keep your work triangle tight and clear. If your sink, stove, and fridge aren't placed well, cooking becomes frustrating. Keep your work triangle compact. Ideally, each leg should be between 1.2 to 2.7 meters or 4 to 9 feet. This keeps movement smooth and efficient, especially in small kitchens. You'll prep, cook, and clean faster without walking in circles. Number 3, keep the sink under the window. Washing dishes doesn't have to be boring. Placing your sink under the window not only gives you a better view, but also makes your kitchen feel more open. It's a classic layout trick that brings in natural light where you need it most. Bonus, no upper cabinets blocking your headspace. Number 4, install tall cabinets that go all the way to the ceiling. Stop letting dust collect on top of half-height cupboards. Run your cabinets right up to the ceiling. If your ceiling is 2.4 meters or about 8 feet or less, you'll gain an entire extra shelf row without widening the footprint. Store rarely used appliances and holiday platters up high and keep everyday items right where you need them. Your kitchen will look custom, built-in, and so much taller. Number 5, mix open shelving and closed storage. All closed doors can feel heavy, all open shelves can look cluttered. Blend the two for balance. Hide the mismatched mugs behind doors, but let your prettiest dishes or plants live on open shelves. You get quick access and a designer display zone, no extra furniture needed. It's functional minimalism at its best. Number 6, use one-touch or handleless cabinets. Traditional handles can stick out and make tight spaces feel even tighter. Switch to push-to-open or recessed handle cabinets. They're sleek, modern, and reduce the chance of bumping your hip every time you turn around. Your kitchen will feel smoother, literally and visually. Number 7, avoid corner dead zones. Install lazy Susans or corner pullouts. Corners in small kitchens often go to waste. Add a lazy Susan or a corner pullout unit to turn that awkward space into smart storage. You'll reach deep items with ease and double your cabinet's efficiency. No more lost pans or forgotten snacks hiding in the back. Number 8, use quartz or compact stone countertops. Your counter is the star of your kitchen, so give it a surface that actually shines. Quartz and compact stone shrug off stains, resist scratches, and bounce light around to make the whole room feel cleaner. You'll wipe up spills in seconds and never worry about sealing. It's the easiest upgrade that instantly turns a budget kitchen into a high-end showpiece. Number 9, add pendant lights above your bar or nook. Lighting isn't just practical, it's a statement piece. Hang 2 or 3 pendants 60 to 75 centimeters or 2 to 2.5 feet apart and about 90 centimeters or 3 feet above the counter to create a cozy glow that defines the space. Choose shades that tie in with your cabinet hardware for instant cohesion. You get ambiance, task lighting, and a mini-style moment all in one move. Number 10, use recessed or flush mount ceiling lights. In a small kitchen, even lighting fixtures matter. Skip bulky pendant lights that hang low and crowd your headspace. Recessed or flush mount lights keep the ceiling clean and distribute light evenly. Your kitchen will feel taller, brighter, and more open. Number 11, install under cabinet LED strip lights. Overhead lights aren't enough for chopping and cooking. Add LED strip lights under your upper cabinets to brighten your counters right where you need it. They're energy efficient, easy to install, and instantly make your kitchen feel modern and functional. Prep work just got way easier. Number 12, install a light cove or LED strip on the ceiling edge. Want your kitchen to feel bigger without knocking down walls? Tuck an LED strip into a simple ceiling cove. The indirect glow washes the walls, blurs corners, and makes the entire room feel like it's floating. It's a high-impact, low-cost trick that upgrades your vibe the second you flip the switch. Number 13, add toe kick lighting at the bottom of base cabinets. Here's a hack most people miss. Light up the space under your lower cabinets. Toe kick LED lights create a floating effect and help you navigate the kitchen at night. It's soft, stylish, and adds a layer of depth to your space. Functional and fancy at the same time. Number 14, paint the ceiling a soft neutral instead of bright white. Bright white might sound like the go-to, but it can feel harsh in a cozy kitchen. A soft neutral like warm beige or creamy white blends better with wood tones and warm lighting. It creates a more cohesive, relaxing space, especially in tight quarters. A subtle ceiling color shift makes a big visual difference. Number 15, add reflective materials to bounce light around. Don't just rely on lighting, make it go further. Use glossy tiles, mirrored backsplashes, or stainless steel finishes to reflect light across the room. It instantly brightens dark corners and gives your kitchen a more spacious feel. More shine, more space, without changing the footprint. Number 16, use glass or high-gloss cabinet fronts. Glossy surfaces reflect light and make your kitchen feel bigger. Choose high-gloss laminates or glass front cabinet doors to add depth and brightness. Bonus, they're easy to wipe clean and look super sleek. Your space will feel more open without changing the layout. Number 17, use a cohesive color palette for cabinets and walls. Stick to similar tones for your cabinets and walls, like soft grays, warm taupes, or muted creams. This creates a seamless flow and makes the kitchen feel larger and calmer. Strong contrast can chop the space visually, while matching tones extend it. It's a subtle design trick that makes a major difference. Number 18, avoid countertop clutter. Mount common items instead. If your counter is packed with tools and bottles, it's time to go vertical. Mount your spice rack, knife block, and paper towel holder on the wall. You'll free up valuable prep space and make your kitchen look cleaner. Your counter should be for cooking, not storage. Number 19, decorate with simple, natural elements. Your kitchen doesn't need dozens of trinkets to feel inviting, just a few honest materials. Swap plastic decor for a slim wood tray, a woven basket, or a small potted herb that fits perfectly in a 10-centimeter clay pot. These organic textures break up the hard surfaces and add warmth without crowding the counter. A touch of nature equals instant coziness, fresher air, and a space that feels truly lived in. Number 20, use pull-out pantry units or slim slide-in racks. Got a narrow gap between the fridge and wall? Turn it into a pull-out pantry. Even a 15 to 20 centimeter wide slide-in rack can store cans, spices, and bottles. It's the secret storage spot you didn't know you had. Now, here are 3 small kitchen transformed using these exact hacks. Notice how each space feels more open, functional, and beautifully styled without major renovations. If any of these hacks sounded familiar, let us know in the comments. And if you need help with your own space, you can visit our website at www.designburst24.com and reach out to us via email or WhatsApp. If you want more home transformations, make sure to subscribe.